Driven by innovation, the SIMT is experimenting with the contribution of distributed production to the maintenance of land equipment in operational condition, improvement of technical availability, reduction of downtime, and reduction of procurement lead times. The contribution of distributed production makes it possible to meet the needs of operational forces, which wish to optimize maintenance and get rid of logistics problems, particularly in overseas operation. However, the French Department of Defense and their industrial partners have identified 3 issues related to distributed production: change of business model, data integrity, and parts traceability. Vistory initiated an innovative approach with the deployment of MainChain, a platform for managing intellectual property in 3D printing based on a private blockchain. A private blockchain is a distributed database. By storing and transmitting information in a secure, reliable, and non-modifiable way, it guarantees the traceability of digital assets or operations such as a notary register. This technology creates an encrypted digital identification key for the blueprint, its license, and processes and methods. MainChain verifies that the identification keys are identical and certifies the integrity of the data from the time the plan is submitted until it is printed. It creates trust between operators with differing economic interests: French Department of Defense, defense industry, troops deployed in overseas operations, as well as 3D printer manufacturers. Within the framework of the Fibrio project experimentation carried out jointly with the SIMT, MainChain has made it possible to guarantee the integrity of blueprint files, to track and trace printing, to transform the economic model, and to guarantee the transparency of operations. Thanks to the combination of distributed production and blockchain, the French Department of Defense demonstrated the capability of an innovative and reliable solution to support the maintenance of land-based equipment. The SIMT validated the first blockchain in overseas operations as part of Operation Barkhane. Distributed production is shaking up the supply chain of the defense ecosystem in Industry 4.0. A paradigm shift made possible by the introduction of the blockchain in the service of industrial trust. In addition to centralized production, distributed production is now being added.